Hi, hello friends. My name is Nayak and welcome to my WordPress channel. In this video, I am going to tell you how to add menu icons like this. So now in this website, I am going to show you how to add menu icons. Let us visit our website. So this is the menu for this demo websites and you can find no icons here. But now let's see how to add icons here. For this home, you can add the icon you want, home icon or whatever it may be. For about also you can add some icon, and likewise you can add number of icons. So now let's get back to our dashboard. So this is the WordPress dashboard, and to add icons to your menu you have to install a plugin. So go to add new, click on add new. Yeah, so this is our plugin directory, and search menu image, right? So menu image, yes. So guys, this is the plugin we need to create icons in our WordPress menu. So install this, and I have already installed it, and let me activate it. Skip this step. So now let's get back to our appearance, then go to menus. Now when you hover your cursor onto your menu elements, then you will find this kind of menu image option. Okay, earlier it was not there, but now you can find it. So click on menu image. So here you can add the icon that you want for your menu. So for your menu icon, for your menu. So this is home, right? So I would like to add this one. Save changes. Now close. Now go to about. So about you can add this icon or this one. So let me add this one or this one. See, save changes, cancel, and likewise you can add menu icons for your menu elements. My blog, okay, save changes, yes, and my services. Yeah, this one is perfect. Save changes. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. Contact us. Contact us. Oh, let me select one. Which one is more perfect? Contact us. Yeah, let us select this one. Contact us, or let me find the perfect icon for it. Yeah, this one. So contact us, save changes. So after saving changes, now click here, save menu. So now visit the site. So guys, so this is how you can find icons for your website. So these are SVG icons, but if you want to add custom icon here, so let me show you how to do that. Go to Flatation, FLATION, flat. I think it is a flat icon. Yes, flat. Yes, flat icon. So this website, flat icon. Now browse this website, search for home. So on this website you can find icons. Yes, search, So this one, let me pick this icon. Okay, PNG 34 by 34. Let me see. Yes, 32 is perfect. 32 free download. And remember friends, so if you want to download this icon and use it on your website, then you have to add this attribution on your website, and don't forget that you have to add attribution and cancel. Now get back to our WordPress dashboard. So this is our WordPress dashboard. Now media, click on media, add new, select files or drag and drop files. So now select files. So this will browse all the images, okay, in our computer, quick access. Yeah, this one here, open. So this one is added. Now get back to appearance, then menus. Now click on menu image. Okay, image. Now set image. Click on set image and pick this one. Select. Okay, and save. See, here you can find the image that you want for your website. Save changes. Okay, now save menu. Now let us visit our website. So guys, this is how you can also add custom icons on your website. So the size of this icon is, I think, 34 by 34. Is that? Yes, 32 pixel by 32 pixel, but you can add, you have the smaller version like 24 and 16 also. So as per your need, okay, you can add the custom icons also. So these icons are SVG and this one is PNG. Okay, so if you like this video, please consider subscribing my channel and support me. Thank you.